Alright, guys, you're welcome. Now we want to start trading. So let's assume that you have a signal with you, a signal that has been sent to you by uh, the signal technical analyst or a professional, an expert in future trading. Because this is not a gambling stuff. This is not where you just come in and put in your money and you expect to get profit. No, you have to leverage on someone that knows what he's doing, someone that know how to analyze the market. If you cannot do the analysis yourself, then you need to leverage on someone that knows how to do that. So let's assume that you are in a group whereby they do send in signal for future trading. So we are in the interface now for future trade. So let's look at this. For example, uh, we want to trade this uh, coin BNX with USDT, and the signal says long. Remember, I told you that long means buy. You are buying. Long means buy. So the entry price is 133. So which means you are entering the market, you are entering the trade at this particular price. And these are the take profit if you have. These are the take profit you have. Then your stop loss is this. Now, let me quickly explain what the take profit is all about and what stop loss is all about. Take profit means that in long, when you are longing a trade, that is, you are buying a coin with your USDT, you are predicting that the price of that access will go up. Are you getting me? So what you are predicting is that it is a future thing. You are predicting that, oh, it's possible, there is possibility that the price of this item eh, will go up. And the item we are talking about here is the BNS, which is the coin that it's possible it goes up. And if it goes up, it will be at your own profit. So let's assume that I enter this trade at when the price was 133.01. This is when I entered the trade. So once the price increases to 148, 148, the price increases to 148, then I can take my profit. The profit, probably I'm trading with $10. The profit I have can be around $5, $7. It's good. I can take my trade and leave. And if I still want to stay in the trade, I can decide to take my profit when the target hit 159.61. I can decide to set it to 170 or 179. Depends on the the capital you are using, and at the same time how you have mind in handling trades. So now all this you need to set it up while setting up your trade. Then stop loss means that you set up a price tag that if the market or the trading is going against you, then the system should automatically stop the trade for you. That's the meaning of stop loss. So, for example, if you enter a trade with $10 and you are getting liquidated, a trade is now going against you, you lose from $9 from $10 it reduced to $9, it reduced to $2. So now if the target you set is if it gets to if the market price gets to 126.67, which is the target you set, so the trade will automatically stop so that you don't lose the whole of your fund in your future wallet. So that is the essence of take profit and stop loss. So let's go into our Binance interface now. So now we want to search for, you know, this is where you click to search for the pairs. So type BNX, BNX with USDT. Click and take note, we are longing, so which means we are buying. Don't go and mistakenly press sell instead of buying. It means you'll be trading against that signal and you are your own. Oh. All right, so now the signal says we should enter the trade at 133.01. So what you need to do is you come here, you put this place and at buy, then the limit, you let this your limit order, you click on limit order, not the market order, because the signal is not asking us to buy at market order, so we are to buy at limit order. So let's buy at 133.01. So type here 133.01. That is when I'm buying. So now the next thing to do is you put in your take profit and stop loss. So what I need to do is, okay, I want to take my profit when the price goes to 148.97. So you can put it here. Sorry. Sorry, the network is somehow. All right, it's back. So 133.01. So you can see TP/XL. It means take profit and stop loss. You can click it. Then in your take profit, you put the value there. I'm taking my profit as 148.97. So 148.97, 148.97. Taking my profit here, and I want to stop the loss at 126.67. 126.67. All right. So this is one way of putting in your take profit and the stop loss. But I don't like using this one. I prefer to set up the trade first. Then after that, I will now set up my take profit and stop loss. I will still show you a video on how to do that. So after that, you come to this your margin mode. Now, what's the system saying? The signal saying you should use? Is there anything like a margin mode? No. So you can decide, you can determine that one yourself. Are you using cross mode or you are using isolated? I've explained what margin mode is all about. You can check my other videos. So, but I'll prefer to use cross margin because I'll be setting up my stop loss, and I can also use isolated, same thing. So I'll use cross margin. Then the leverage, like I told you, if you are just starting, I will advise you to start with five, five leverage. Start with five leverage so that you don't blow off your account. start with 5 leverage, or at most start with 10 leverage. 10 leverage. Then later you can increase it to 20 or to 30. So start with that. So we are putting it at 10 leverage. 10 leverage. You can confirm it. All right. So now we are entering the market at 133.3. So what you need to do is you click on buy. All right. So we are to input the amount we are using. Can see I have 40.05 USDT, the available balance. So how much am I using from this 40? Since my margin mode is cross, how much am I using to enter this trade? All right, I want to enter this trade. Don't type it direct. Just come here. You see this line? Yes, you can drag it. You can drag it, and you can see as I'm dragging it, be looking at this cost and maximum. This cost here, the cost is what it means that the amount I'm using to buy this 0.4 BNS is 8.49 USDT. So, but I want to use $10. I want to use $10. Let me use drag it till you have $10. $10. I want to use $10. All right, you can, if you can't get $10, just use, okay, it's saying 10.6. I can still use that. So $10.6. Now my trade is set now. So I can now click buy button. So let me click on buy button. So will load up then. Now, yeah, let me quickly explain this. I'm entering a trade with $10 from my own personal fund money from this $40 USDT. So it means if I'm this the way I'm using 10 leverage, it means that 10 10 times the $10 I'm using. 10 times 10 now, that's 100. So it means what I'm trading with now, my stand is $100. So I'm trading with $100. That is the beauty of leverage. It gives you the opportunity to increase your fund. And remember, I told you that the higher the leverage, the closer to the closer you are to liquidation. So take note of that. So I can click buy along now, then confirm buy. All right. So the offer has, okay, the price cannot go above this. So let me say 130, just for the sake of this trade now, 130, and let me reduce it a bit. All right. So I want to set up this trade for 1.8 USDT. So let me click on buy. All right. You can see now the market, the the trade has been set up and is up and running. Is running now. Is running now. So I can decide to set up my stop loss and take profit. In my next video, I will show you how to do that. Thank you.